Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install N8N on Windows. Now the first thing you need to do is come to this URL, okay, and from here click on windowsinstaller.msi, go ahead and download this file, install it. Then what you need to do is open a Windows command prompt. After node.js has been installed, type this in: npm space install space N8N space -g, and after you can start N8N. You can type this command in the Windows command prompt, N8N space start. You should see a message like this. That means everything has been done perfectly fine. And then all you need to do is enter this address into your web browser to start the graphics user interface of N8N. And after you do that, you have to just go to the sign up, register your name, email address, username, password, activate it, and you'll be on this page and you're basically done. Okay, you can see this is the local host that we talked about, and you can come here, click on start from scratch, and begin creating your workflows, your everything, your automations. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.